how you make slime. So let's just get some action shots here. So action shots are how it works, what you can do with it after. And it smells. Might have put the thing the wrong way. So yes, that's the action shot. So if you're upside down, suck it. I don't know, flip your finger around. So I don't know if I'm upside down or not, and I don't care. So let's just get in the video, no wasting time. So first you're gonna need some glue tack. The people call it glue tack, but it's actually blue tack. And then you also need some dishwashing liquid. And this one's smelly, so it's gonna smell nice, like this one. This one smells so good. And you can add perfume to it if you want it to be really smelly. And yeah, so you can do that if you want. Don't really listen to my thing. So let's just open this up. Look how flat and nice it looks. Ooh. So there it is right now. And it's already kind of like slime, but it needs to be squishier. So first play with it a lot. I'm gonna like play with it for 1 minute. And yeah. I need to read the posters off. So yeah guys, that was first. I've played with it a lot because I just did speed up. So the first thing you're going to, and I'm sorry, I also need water for this. Sorry. Yeah, and I've also got a water tap here. So let's just fill this up with water. Wait, is this one? I don't know which one's the actual slime. Oh, this one is because it's squishy. Okay. So you got to add 2 spoons of cold water, and I know what spoons are, so I'm not going to use a spoon. 1, 2. So as you can see, I put the water on, and you also need to put some on after too. So move the background here. So finally, let's put this on. It's the last thing to do. You can put as much as you want on. These ones here. Mix it all up. Your hands will get sticky, but that's okay. You can wash it after. And this is going to be the end of the video. And yeah, it's going to turn into slime as you play with it a lot. Also put underwater a lot after that. Only 1 tablespoon of water this time. And yeah, that will do the trick and make it like this one. Look how squishy this one is though. So yeah, that's about it. And put a little bit, 1 tablespoon of water. 1 tablespoon of water. And so this is our official slime. So this is our official slime.